everyone, my name is Jordan Trowell. I'm 25 years old and I've been playing drums for 13 years now. I've been playing drums for my home church here in Temple, Texas for 13 years now, and I've been playing for the Life Church Band in Austin, Texas for a couple months. I currently use the 5BR. They are a wonderful stick. That extra reach gives me so much more length to sit comfortably while playing the set, and they're very durable sticks. Three things that I love about the Collision brand. One, they make sure you're taken care of with phone calls, making sure that your sticks are good to go, make sure that you're stocked up throughout the year. They're just a great brand, and that goes into the second thing, is that they treat you like family. Anytime that you need something, you can shoot them an email, a text, or a phone call, and they'll take care of you in whatever need capacity that you have. They are phenomenal. And then lastly, the third thing is the sticks. I absolutely love these sticks. I play passionately, I play hard, and I need a stick that's going to be durable, that's going to withstand all these hits. And Collision sticks, they are the only stick that I've been able to play consistently for long periods of time. And as you can see, I've barely even made a dent on these sticks. So these sticks are amazing. The cover I'm going to be doing today is Now and Always by Life Church Worship. I hope y'all enjoy.